Hi folks, welcome to the 5-minute crypto news. Today's date is Tuesday, November the 1st, 2022 at 2:23 p.m. Eastern Time in the United States. Here is the cryptocurrency news in 5 minutes or less. Here is a heat map from coinmarketcap.com. Bitcoin has dominance of 38.64% of the entire cryptocurrency market, and Ethereum has 19.04% of the entire crypto market. Here's another heat map from coin360.com. A lot of green today, with Bitcoin and Ethereum having the largest square, and Dogecoin starting to increase its square. List of top 10 or so cryptocurrencies from coinmarketcap.com. We have Bitcoin in first position, Ethereum in second place. We have Dogecoin. It's just last week it was in 15th place. It's now risen up to 8th place in the ranking, and it has a market capitalization of $18.1 billion in United States currency. Cardano is coming in at 9th, Solana in 10th, Polkadot in 12th, Shiba Inu in 13th, and so forth. The entire cryptocurrency market capitalization of the world is now sitting at just above $1 trillion. Last week it was below $1 trillion. And the price of an individual Bitcoin today is $20,432, relatively unchanged compared to yesterday. Ethereum up slightly, $1,575 per coin US. Cardano is at 40 cents a coin, down 0.1%. Solana is falling at 1.48%, 13.9 cents in US dollars, and that's a rise of 9.3% compared to yesterday. And the cryptocurrency fear and greed index. Yesterday it was at 31, today at 30, and just last week it was at 20, extreme fear. So slight confidence increasing in the cryptocurrency market. Some daily news items regarding cryptocurrency. This is from investors.com, Investors Business Daily. And they report that the company in the United Kingdom called Argo Blockchain, it has a symbol ARBK, it tumbled 40% pre-market in trading on Monday after it announced that financing from a strategic investor fell through. And the company warned it may need to curtail or cease operations if it can't secure further financing. And this is a stock we've been looking at in the last month or so. And Argo Blockchain, if you look at the 5-year chart, was as high as 282 Great British pounds. The currency used in United Kingdom is the pound, and it was at 282 pounds. And it has fallen down to the $7 range, or I should say £7 range. Compared to yesterday, it was 5.73% fall, and yesterday was this abrupt fall from 16.13 pounds down to as low as 5.5 pounds. So that is a stock that could be falling off trading listing. It could be delisted in the future. We'll have to see how that goes. The company Argo Blockchain. And let's see, another news item. Moneygram in the United States starts a crypto purchases ability on a mobile application. And they have this kind of graphic shown here in this article from Yahoo Finance. And this article says payments from Moneygram will be allowed for U.S. customers, United States customers, to buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin, Ether, and Litecoin. And the company expects to expand those cryptocurrency selections over the coming year. And this is being enabled, this application, by a crypto exchange called CoinMe, in which Moneygram made an investment earlier this year. And it allows customers to buy and sell Bitcoin for cash at 12,000 United States retail locations. Then we're going to South Africa, another article from CoinDesk, reported by Yahoo Finance. A South African supermarket chain called PicknPay now accepts Bitcoin payments. And this article from today, it's PicknPay is one of South Africa's largest supermarket chains. It's now allowing customers to pay with Bitcoin using any Lightning Network-enabled application app. According to South Africa's The Times, the payment was tested in over 10 stores over the past 5 months, and it's now available in 39 stores across the country. And the transaction is as easy and secure as swiping a debit or credit card. Customers scan a QR code from the app and accept the conversion rate for the currency used in South Africa on their smartphone at the time of the transaction. Now, this is an article from finbold.com. This article says there are now over 1,000 Dogecoin made millionaires after the cryptocurrency called Dogecoin. The price of that skyrocketed recently. And let's see, we have a list here. The number of Dogecoin millionaires stood at 1,046 as of November 1st, returning above the 1,000 mark for the first time since April 2022. And the currency Dogecoin has reached around 15 cents US dollars for the first time since April of 2021, and that was just recently. So it says here 887 Dogecoin holders have a balance of $1 million or more based on the numbers, and 160 addresses have a total of 10 million or more. So this is their list right here. In any case, increasing amounts of Dogecoin millionaires. And then we have here, you might recognize this person known as the Dogecoin Millionaire on YouTube. And he had an account that was worth more than $1 million last year, and then it fell quite a bit because of the cryptocurrency meltdown. And right now, here's his reaction as of just a few hours ago.
All right, guys, so here's my portfolio for today. Currently sitting at...
So he has 489,000, and it could be changing in the future. If Dogecoin continues its acceleration, it could get back above the $1 million mark. And now to the stock market for stocks related to the cryptocurrency scene. CNN Business has this map of the world markets, and in Asia it was up quite a bit, more than 1%, 2% on average. Also up strongly in Europe and mixed in the Americas. Now to some United States stocks related to cryptocurrency. We have Coinbase Global, $64.71 per share. That's a drop of 2.6%. We have Robinhood Markets traded in the United States, symbol HOOD, rising 1.6%. FTX token USD dropping 0.7%, currently 25.78% a share. MicroStrategy $261 in United States currency. That's a drop of 2.35%. Grayscale Bitcoin is at $12.07 a share. Marathon Digital $12.32 a share. We have Greenwich Generation, 91 cents a share, and that's a drop of 6% on the day. Van Eck Digital Transformation Exchange Traded Fund is dropping 1.5% on the day. Van Eck Bitcoin Strategy Exchange Traded Fund, symbol XBTF in the United States, is at $20 per share. That's a rise of 0.35%. Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy, BTF is the symbol, $7.86 a share and up slightly. Stronghold Digital Mining fell 0.02 cents on the day, and that is a fall of 2.64%. We have ProShares Bitcoin Strategy Exchange Traded Fund, unchanged. We have Riot Blockchain at $6.51 a share. There's Hut 8 Mining Corporation, symbol HUT, traded on the NASDAQ in the United States. That fell 2.2%. We have Core Scientific falling a whopping 10.9%, currently at around 18 cents in US currency per share. And you see this big drop recently. All right, we have Bit Mining ADR, and that's 23 cents per share and a rise of 6.05%. Now to some crypto merchandise. Found this recently. There is a cryptocurrency board game. So for you board game enthusiasts, this is a 2 to 4 player game and puts players in a competitive race to make the most amount of money from trading and mining in cryptocurrencies. And you can speculate on one of 4 currencies, and it's kind of like a Monopoly style game in that sense. And this game is made in Singapore. You can buy it online in Singapore currency, it looks like. Couldn't find anything, at least with a brief search in the United States, where you could buy this, but there might be other board games like that similarly in the United States available. And so it's something for crypto enthusiasts if you're looking for a gift for the holidays coming up. So that ends the United States items. Please like and subscribe. And now some other stocks around the world. Going to the Canadian scene to look at Canadian stocks related to the cryptocurrency scene. We have the Ether Fund, symbol QETH, traded in Canadian dollars. It's 32.65 cents per unit in Canadian dollars and almost unchanged on the day. Bitfarms Limited, symbol BITF in Canada, $1.30 in Canadian currency, and that dropped 0.8% roughly. We have one stock from the United Kingdom, and that was mentioned earlier, Argo Blockchain, 7.5 British pounds, and dropping quite significantly over time. Was as high as 245 British pounds in February of 2021. And that's your 5-minute crypto news for today. Please subscribe to get notified of new videos on YouTube, and thanks for watching.